Hi everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw Plasma Carrot. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpies. So I'm going to be drawing with the pencil first and then I'll be starting with the Sharpie. So if you want to skip to the Sharpie section, just look in the description and you'll see the details of where to skip to. But for now, I'm going to start with the pencil. And also, I think I'm going to be using a straight edge, so you might want to get one of those too, a ruler. So I'm going to start off with a sketch for myself, just to sketch out real fast where it's going to be, and then I will switch over to the Sharpie. Okay, so I think I'm going to bring it out a little bit more like this. Maybe that's too much. Yeah, well that's why we sketch, so that way we can figure that out. Alright, and so then... And the carrot, I think what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and draw it in for you, but once I color it, I'm going to change that to blue. So if you want to switch to a colored Sharpie for the carrot, you're more than welcome to. Mine's going to be black until I color it, then it will look like the actual axe, you know. Okay, so I think I'm ready. I'm going to switch over to the Sharpie now, and I'm going to start with my straight edges. So let me actually sketch this real fast, because it's got that little extra part that I'm going to have to raise up just a little bit. And what I mean by that is I'm going to draw these edges, but I'm going to raise that up just a hair for that one. So I'm only going to come down to about right there, then come down to about right there, and come down a little bit, and draw the other part of the handle. I'm just kind of eyeballing what's even all the way down. About like that. And about like that. And so what I'm going to do for the other part is I'm going to come out just a little bit and draw that edge. Same thing over here. Going to find my edge there. I'm going to come out just a little bit and draw this edge. Just like that. Okay, and so see what it is? It raised it just a little bit, just a hair, and so now I can come back with a tinier Sharpie, and I'm going to give it this detail. And so this just kind of brings it out. Oh, if I can get my Sharpie short. It just kind of, you know, raises it to another level. Literally. I mean, it looks like it literally is up to another level. I'm not trying to say, you know, my skills are at another level. I'm just trying to say it's got a raised edge to it. Although my skills are at another level. So, okay, so you see what I was trying to go for there? All right. Okay, so back to this Sharpie. So now I'm going to draw the rest of it with the big fat Sharpie. Something like this, and let's draw this end over here real fast. Just something like that. It doesn't have to go too crazy. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this edge up here. Ooh, I'm going to connect that real fast. Bring this edge over here and come up. Let's see, this one's going to come out and over. And there is another level there, so I'm just going to kind of bump it like that. Go across and come down. And the reason I bumped it is, again, just to give it a little, woof, come on, Sharpie. A little bit of a raised edge just to make it stand out. It doesn't stand out that much, but, you know, it's just something fun to do. To try to come up with different techniques and styles. Because this is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. All right. So, I'm not going to draw those rays. I'm going to do that with color. And now that I say that, I'm going to get my Sharpie and I'm going to draw this carrot super thin. Just because I want it to look digital, you know, or I don't want it to look like a hard edge like that. So I'm going to take my sketch and just follow what I did here. So I'm going to start here on the edge and just kind of come down and do that. And just follow my sketch. That's all I'm going to do. Real thin line. Basically just draw the shape of a carrot. Like that. And we'll draw the little lines going across, you know, carrot lines. And that's all. That's all we're really going to do. Because again, I wanted to make this look digital, you know, not hard-edged. So I'll go ahead and add some extra lines here, like the look of the carrot. Okay. And so yeah, so I'm going to make that look blue when I color it. So you're welcome to draw it or color it like that too. And so yeah, so let me show you. Let me take care of the rest. Ooh, you know what? Let me add a little bit here. That should have been straighter across, or more straight. Straighter is not a word, right? Okay, so now let's take care of the rest with color. So that is Plasma Carrot. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.